Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for intraday Bitcoin price prediction. It's a very early video, of course, after our daily analysis. I just want to mention one more scenario that it might happen in case we see a little bit of reversal or downside, just to let you know, because now when I look at this, I see almost like kind of a formation of a diagonal, right, for here, and I start to see some rejection. I just want to get this a little bit earlier and tell you what is the possibility in case we get rejection from there. Because if that happen and we don't see a big massive wave 3 towards the upside after a 1-2, okay, then this might be like a change of structure. And by all means, the one could be finished exactly here after seeing 1, 2, okay, 3, this is your 3, then this is your 4, yes, and yeah. So by all means, this could be your finished impulse now. By now it has finished, possibly, okay, this is a possible. I just want to add it on the table. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and your wave 5 has finished as diagonal. So this is possible change of structure, because I started to see some weaknesses here for a wave 3, right? So be careful with it. Plus, if this is your wave 1, then possibly because we still have CME gap, which MG mentioned it to me today as comment, and okay, I revised it, and yeah, as I said before, it's not really necessary to close it now because there are two other CME gap lower than this one, and they were never been closed. Okay, so therefore I cannot be just trapped also with this CME gap in case we move to the 100K. That would be a trap as well. However, in this scenario, if we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 finished here, then our wave 1 has finished here, then we are looking for wave 2, which is exactly inside the CME gap. Now, this scenario could be possible, okay guys, I'm just, of course, no financial advice here. It could be possible, it could move up as well for continuation where our wave 1 has finished here. So yeah, the things are very, very critical and not easy, I would say. However, I mean, in all scenarios you want to buy, right? I mean, no financial advice, but we are bullish. Even if we come down then go up, it's still bullish. Therefore, you finish also here your wave 4, so you are also bullish. You finish also your wave 1, 2, also bullish. So therefore, of course, the possibilities of bullish scenario is always higher. However, on the short term, of course, we might see some major reversal as 3 waves for a wave 2, possibly, okay, to finish this possible impulse formation now, okay, like a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, maybe then it's gonna be a bigger impulse, of course, after all. So to be watched, guys, to be watched, and yeah, that will, of course, will look like a fake out, right? A fake out for our triangle, right? A fake out. So in case this happened, so if we move back down, that will totally look like a fake out, right? However, we know the reason why, yeah, in case that happened. So I just want to mention this to you guys as a new scenario just now appeared as a potential change, a structural change, if we see lower prices from now, right? Yeah, going back, of course, and don't forget, by the way, that this trend line should be retested, okay? Once you break a trend line, anyway, it should come back down and retest it, okay? So therefore, if now this retest will happen, that means it has broken our wave 3. In case we are 1, 2 from here, then 3, it is broken. Otherwise, it's transforming this to diagonal. In case we retest and we move up, then this is diagonal or a 1, 2, 1, 2. So one of these things, okay, yeah, a lot of scenarios opens. That's the problem. However, 1212, we want to see anyway price going over at least to here. If continuation, then okay, we are 1212. If reverse, then of course diagonal, right? So this is how the things work, step by step. We cannot really go, yeah, directly with it towards the upside. However, of course, our big long-term scenario is, of course, 100K, guys. However, for short-term, these are the things. And for me, of course, I tend to be a little bit more short-term, even when bullish, when going long, because, yeah, nobody knows what happens in the market, right? Nobody knows what happens in the political atmosphere and in the wars and so on. You know, everything is can affect the markets, right? Everything around us that can happen. So therefore, I always tend to be very, very, how to say, secure, looking into each wave by wave, looking what's going on in the market, and watching for reversal in case it happens, because it can suddenly happen, like probably now, yeah. While everyone looking for big wave 3 explosion, then boom, okay, then wave 2, yeah. So these are the things. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and your comments. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.